7 in the morning.
Bit like Colombo, 470 cars around us, chickens everywhere, and me on the horn.
Right, first secret Santa with the truck, and a lot of thought went into this and Auckland Airport yesterday. Yeah, Brett, I know you missed New Zealand already, so this is a memento of our home country and its favourite colour.
Oh yeah,
and
baby!
It's a backpack, so you can wear it.
I'll tell you what, if my biceps are smaller, I'll definitely wear it. It's a little bit tight through here.
I'm sure we can move around.
My side, it's getting lazy, don't say. Yeah, I've been walking.
Thank you, anything else? That was very good information.
It was a shot in the park, and I know it. Yeah, I think I'm letting you go, 'cause I can't catch up with all the shit you do. It was a shot in the park, and I know it. I'm out of luck, 'cause on the first time that I picked you up.
Hey, what's you guys got in the back of that?
Yeah, when I go out, your favorite place where it always sounds. Yeah, I've been walking back, 'cause I lose my rhythm, can't keep track of that. It was a shot in the park, and I know it. Yeah, I think I'm letting you go, 'cause I can't catch up with all the shit you do. It was a shot in the dark, and I know it.
We present for young Nick. Little present for him. Thank you very much. Enjoy. You enjoy that. Look after us. Oh man, yeah. Little babies.
We got the live for the leader of the group.
Oh yeah. Twisted happy. Happy every day.
Friend, I'm pleased to put this to going actually. Look, because we're going to go to the ball today and maybe have drinks. Let's be responsible and safe.
And by the way, you need to be listening.
I know I won't remember.
Wow.
On and on we go. I feel
We're good to go.
easy come now, where did you go? On and on we go, on and on we go, on and on we go, on and on we go. I don't wanna waste your time. Only for now, I don't wanna wait tonight. I know I won't remember.
Oh really? Oh, that's what I call. It's great.
I know I won't remember you. The blink, I start to think I can't.
What I can do with my rubbish, looking for a rubbish bin, and they said, oh, just throw it over the fence. Look at this. Over here, there is rubbish, but it's a nice creek. I'm not going to do it. We'll find out later.
I don't wanna waste your time. Only for now, I don't wanna wait
got surprise gifts for everyone. So let's see. So here we go. Small gift. Have a poker. Amen. Yep.
Got everything right?
Yeah.
Got your, as long as you got your tuk-tuk, you're fine.
I don't have my tuk-tuk.
Actual?
Hey, buddy. Hey, Ron.
He's your tuk-tuk, You have to guess who's got it.
Brett, Peter, Joe.
Yep, you're right, one of those people who's got it.
I know I said forever. I know I won't remember you. The blink, I start to think I cannot sleep and it can't be beat.